Tally's Talking Chuck. How's everybody doing today? Let me know where you're coming in from. If you do not see the live button in the top left corner, hashtag replay, let me know when you came and saw. If you can, like and follow the business page. If you are not a designer yourself with Chalk Couture, you can join my VIP group. It is Tally's Talking Chalk VIP, very easy. And we're just going to get this shared out into some places. What is everybody up to today? I hope everybody's having a great week. I know it just kind of started, but I hope it is good. I'm just going to do a little bit of unboxing, and if people jump on, then we can do up something maybe. And we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to make sure that Facebook doesn't get mad at me. So, I have my big box down here, so I can't lift it up because it's too big. I have to turn it off. I have a lot of little boxes in the big box. So, what we have here is you know what? I think I named the exact. I thought we opened these. Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Just give me 1 second. Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm going to put my website at the bottom of this page. There we go. Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm Chantel with Tally's Talking Chalk. I'm a Chalk Couture designer. I've been with the company for a year and 3 months when it first came into Canada. It is a Canada and US based company. We deal with Chalkology paste and Chalkology ink. Hashtag info if you would like more information on the company. Hashtag join if you'd like to join Chalk Couture. Hashtag club if you would like to know more about the club tour, our subscription box. That's not even me playing music. Facebook, do not get mad at me because that's not me. That's somebody outside clearly playing their music really loud. Let's see exactly right. using it the last time. So I don't know. Hey everybody. I'm just doing an unboxing for the order that I put in for, that I got yesterday. How are you doing today? If I'm not seeing your comments, put an emoji, let me know. So hey, the struggle is real. This is a brand new board. This is our, let's see if I can find the name of it. This is our double-sided box frame. So it's white and with the brown rim on the one side, and you can chalk or ink on that side. And then it's brown and brown on that side, and you can do the same. So these are reversible. That's why I like them. And they're brand new from our catalog. Check out our catalog below. Now I push my box away from me. And now I've got to do it like that. This right here is our Couture Boutique framed board. So it can hang this way. I like this one, it's black on black. Or you can hang it this way. They do have the hooks on the back already. Right here and right here. So they're good to go. Oh, he doesn't want to stand up as well. This here I grabbed. I'm going to stay off the side for a bit. This is our canvas square pillow cover. So it's just like a beige cover, pillow cover, and you can ink on that as well. It's a set of 2. If at any point that you want any of these things for yourself, you can go onto my website and get them, order them in, or if you are local to me, I can order them in myself and get them to you. But if you're not local, it's easier for you to have them shipped directly to you. This is our Reclaim Diagonal palette. Big gray board. It's wood, but it's stained. I love this board. It's nice and hefty. Stay zooming up. Nope. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Facebook isn't even telling me until my friends leave that they were even here, so that's a bit of a bummer. If I see your name pop up, I will give you a shout out. So this is the same as the longer board, except it's shorter and fatter. Again, both reversible. They seem to like to stand up themselves. Other side. And this is our Sylvie black frame. Again, can hang it this way or this way. They have the hooks on the back. Okay. Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Let me know where you're coming in from. Let me know who's on. Because I'm not seeing comments and I'm not seeing people's names popping up. So. You have two left. This is the pumpkin carve outs. And we have designs that go on them. So there's that one. This is a set of two, so we've also got the smaller one. And then our last piece is our natural burlap board. I love these boards. These boards are awesome. I have already done a piece on one of this. So it's pretty long. And again, you can do it any way you want. These ones do not have hooks on them already, so you would have to get hooks yourself. Or just ask me and I can put hooks on the back. And that is everything I have today. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you at any time. If you catch the replay and have any questions, you can ask them there too. I'm always kind of around, and I will get back to you as soon as I see the comments. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. again, tomorrow is 3 o'clock, or tomorrow is Wednesday, so I'll see you at 3 o'clock. I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.